Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's discuss about data science in space exploration. If you don't subscribe my channel, please like and subscribe my channel to get more informative videos. Data science is space exploration. Data science is revolution space exploration by analyzing vast amounts of data from satellites, telescopes and space missions. Exoplanet discovery. Data science algorithm analyze data patterns from stars to detect exoplanets planets outside our solar system. Space weather prediction. Data science predicts solar flares and geometric storms, which can impact satellites and communication systems on Earth. Mars rover missions. Data science processing images and sensor data from Mars rovers to identify potential sites for exploration and study. Data science in agriculture. Data science is transforming agriculture by enabling precision farming and subsonic particles. Crop yield prediction. By analyzing weather data, soil conditions, and historical crop yields, data science helps farmers predict and optimize crop production. Best control. Data science identifies best outbreaks early by analyzing satellite images and sensor data, enabling targeted interventions. Smart irrigation. Data science optimizes water usage by analyzing soil moisture levels and weather forecasts, reducing water waste. Data science in sports analytic. Sports team and organization use data science to gain a competitive edge. Player performance analysis. Data science analyzes players satisfies fitness levels and game footage to improve performance and reduce injuries. Game strategy optimization. Team use data science to analyze optimize strategies and develop winning gameplay plans. Fan engagement. Data science enhances fan experiences by personalization, content, predicting ticket sales, and optimizing sodium operation. Data science in cycling. As cycle threats grow, data science is becoming essential for protecting digital assets. Threat detection. Data science identifies usual patterns in network traffic that may indicate cyber attacks such as malware or phishing attempts. Fraud prevention. Data science detects fraud activities in real time by analyzing transaction data and user behavior. Password security. Data science improves password security by analyzing common patterns and abilities in password creation. Data science in social media and marketing. Data science derives decision marketing in social media and marketing. Brands use data science to analyze customers' sentiment on social media, helping them understand public perception and improve products. Targeting advertising. Data science enables personalized ad- advertising by analyzing user behavior, preferences, and graphics. Data science identifies the most effective influencers for marketing campaigns by analyzing engagement rates and audience graphics. Data science in government and policy marketing. Governments use data science to improve public services and policy decisions. Urban planning. Data science analyzes traffic patterns, population growth, and infrastructure needs to design smarter cities. Crime prediction. Law enforcement agencies use data science to predict crime hotspots and allocate resources effectively. Disaster management. Data science help predict natural like earthquakes and floods, timely invocation and resource allocation. Data science in education technology. Data science in transforming education through personalized learning and data driven insights. Adaptive learning platforms. Data science powers platforms that adapt to students' learning cycles and pace, providing customized content and feedback. Student performance prediction. Data science predicts students' performance and identifies at-risk students, enabling early interventions. Design. Data science analyzes designs, learning outbreaks and feedback to design effective and teaching methods. Data science in entertainment and media. Data science is reshaping the entertainment industry by enhancing content creation and audience engagement. Content recommendation. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use data science to recommend movies, shows, and music based on user performance. Box office prediction. Data science predicts the success of movies by analyzing factors like genre, cost, and release timing. Audience analytics. Media companies use data science to analyze audience demographics and preference, enabling targeted content creation. Media companies use data science to analyze audience to demographics and preference, enabling targeted content creation. Data science in financial technology. Data science is driving innovation in the financial sector. Algorithm trading. Data science algorithm analyze market data to execute trades and optimize data maximum profits. Credit scoring. Data science improves credit scoring models by analyzing alternative data sources like social media and transactions history. Fraud detection. Data science detects the fraudulent transactions in real time by analyzing patterns and anomalies in financial data. Data science in non-profit and social impact. Data science is empowering non-profits and social organizations to create a positive impact. Fraud is optimizing. Data science analyzes donor behavior to optimize fundraising campaigns and increase donations. Program evaluation. Non-profits use data science to measure the effectiveness of their programs and make driven improvements. Decisive relief. Data science help to coordinate disaster relief efforts by analyzing data on affected areas and resource availability. The global impact of data science. Data science is not limited to specific industries or regions. It has a global impact. The digital divide. Data science help bring internet access and digital services to understand communities. Global health innovatives. Data science supports global health by analyzing data on disease outbreaks, vaccination rates, and healthcare access. Development goals. Data science development goals contributes to achieving the United Nations by providing data-driven insights and solutions. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more informative videos. Thank you for watching video.